Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how to create a web banner in Photoshop very easily. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, I create a new page. I create 1000 into 250 pixel page. After that, I open the image. I open both the image and now I am going to crop a cup with plate in this photo. So go to select and click on subject. You can see the subject part is selected. Now go to drag in the file and do convert to smart object and press Ctrl T and reduce the size of curve like this. And now I drag the texture in the file. Do Ctrl T and reduce the size like this. Texture layout, drag to bottom like this, and now create a new layer and fill color like this. Press Alt and backspace. You can see the color is filled. Now do Ctrl T and press Shift and reduce the size like this, and press Alt and take this point and drag like this, and so now it's looking good. Do Ctrl T and increase some like this. Select text tool and type text. If it was helpful, press enter and buy me a cup of coffee. Select bottom line and reduce the font size like this, and decrease the space between the line, and do Ctrl T, increase the size like this. And in the first line I select Gotham bold font like this, and press Ctrl T and increase some more size like this, and select a rectangle tool and do round 8 pixel. Press enter. Fill the white color and outline should be none. And type buy now. And double click on the text and choose this color in the font and place in the rectangle. Now select the cup and plate. Go to effects panel and select drop shadow like this. I think this looks good. Press OK. Select the buy now font and reduce the size like 22 pixel. It's looking cool. So please let me know through the comment. If you like the video, do like and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.